Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm making a quick video. I couldn't figure out what was going on with this truck in regards to the squeaky noise it's making. I'm going to move my truck up and down. That way you can kind of see what the noise I'm referring to. I did some research on the internet, mostly YouTube, and what they told me is it was going to be the leaf springs. However, after going under my truck and having my daughter jump on the bed, I discovered that there's a screw here on top of the shock and it's loose. I mean, look, you can look at it, and I'm turning it as we speak. Right? So, you see that? It shouldn't turn. So I'm gonna tighten it up, and I hope that does the job. I hope this helps.